Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review on Mailshake. Now Mailshake is a popular sales engagement platform primarily focused on email outreach. It offers a streamlined way to send personalized cold emails at scale and manage follow-up sequences. Now let's look at the pros. Let's start with the pros. Yes, let's look at the pros. Users often praise Mailshake for its ease of use and intuitive interface, making it relatively simple to set up and launch campaigns. The platform's automation features, particularly for scheduling follow-up based on prospect activity, are also a significant advantage, saving considerable time and effort. Features like email warm-up and deliverability tools are helpful for ensuring emails reach the inbox. Additionally, many find its reporting and analytics useful for tracking campaign performance. Now, when it comes to the cons, despite its strength, Mailshake has some drawbacks. Some users report limitation in customization options for email templates and workflows. The complexity of certain advanced features can also be a hurdle for beginners. There has been mentions of occasional glitches and difficulties with data management, such as uploading and mapping contact details accurately. Pricing can also become a consideration, especially for larger teams or those with extensive outreach needs. Overall, while there might be a slight learning curve and some limitations in deep customization, Mailshake remains a powerful and effective tool for businesses looking to scale their email outreach efforts and connect with prospects efficiently. Hope you found the video helpful.